Huawei has just given an official preview of its upcoming Nova Flip. This will be a mid-range foldable device, so we can now learn more details about its design, confirming that it will have a considerably small external display, but abandoning the round design that Huawei had used for several generations in this type of device. Now they are going for a square external display with rounded corners, very similar to what we would have, for example, in a smartwatch. So there you can obviously place the smartwatch, with designs very similar to those we have already seen from Huawei. In this first official video, it reveals the lime green edition. I'm not sure what it's going to be called, but you see it on the screen. The specifications haven't been revealed yet, but in the video, you can see that it has two external cameras, the internal camera. Obviously, I'm not so sure if the design will incorporate glass or some kind of synthetic leather, but it actually has a design very similar to what we've seen in current foldable devices. It seems that it will have a hinge capable of maintaining a sort of flex mode, meaning it can stay in an intermediate fold. And in other posts, Huawei also revealed the complete color palette for this new Nova Flip series, which, in addition to this lime green color, will include a pink color, a white color, and a black color. In the black edition, it seems that it would have a synthetic leather cover, according to what can be seen with the Nova pattern on this cover. So let me know what you think about this proposal from Huawei, considering that it will be a mid-range foldable, right? We don't know what its price will be, but surely Huawei will have a fairly aggressive strategy, considering that their high-end foldables are not usually excessively expensive. So, this will be a new experiment, and it's curious that Huawei has not yet released a vertical foldable with a large external screen, so we will have to keep waiting for that launch. We don't know if Huawei will ever decide to release a product with these characteristics.